Hey, so quick video today. Wanted to open up this lens support that I got from SmallRig. Gonna put it on my C200 with an anamorphic adapter and then with my 70-200. Just see how it fits and works. So I picked this up because I'm using the 70-200, the anamorphic adapter. I didn't want to stress the mount too much when I'm on a tripod, and especially with the 70-200, was getting a lot of shake. I wanted to see if I could pick up something that would help me stabilize a big lens on the tripod a little bit better. So turn to my good friends, SmallRig. SmallRig, if you don't know, they make super cheap, super easy to use camera parts. All right. So I'm sliding it onto my two 15mm rods here. Pretty straightforward, right? This should just slide right on. Might have to loosen the rods if they're not perfectly straight. All right, there we go. Okay, so here you see the lens support there. This is extended all the way to reach up to the SLR-Magic Anamorphic 40 adapter that I've got on here. This is basically the maximum distance, and this barely slots in behind the focus ring so that it doesn't mess with the focus ring. So you can see there, it does make contact with the rangefinder, but it is barely touching it there. And let's try it with the 70-200. Again, that's pretty close to the highest position for this lens support with my base plate. Here's the lens support, touching there, 15mm rods. It's a heavy lens, but this is adding even more weight, which I didn't think was possible. But I prefer this over the tripod foot. Honestly, you could probably take the tripod foot off if you knew that you were gonna be doing this all the time. Yeah, but there you have it. That is a test fitting with good old SmallRig. It's an $18 part. It's not super expensive, and I am definitely going to choose this, especially the 70-200, over using just the tripod foot.
All right, Drew, do your magic.